In order to use edge panels or the sidebar on Samsung Galaxy S25, first we can make sure that it is enabled. So go to settings, then choose display, and then over here we have edge panels, which can be enabled and disabled over here. You can also go to edge panels in order to customize panels, what should be included, as well as the handle. We can customize the appearance of the handle as well. In order to open the edge panel, we need to swipe outside towards the middle of the screen, and here we have our apps that we can quickly switch to. We can tap this pen at the bottom in order to customize apps that we have in the edge panels, and we can remove easily whichever apps we don't want to have, and we can add apps that we want to have in the panel. Besides that, we also have these AI tools that can also be disabled if you don't want them by going to the top right corner, tap on these three dots, and then here we can turn them off. We can also enable to show recent apps, so a few of these apps will be dynamic, and you will see those that you have been using recently. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!